Hello y'all, my name is Dominic. I am the owner of Performance Studio, Holistic Health and Wellness. Today I'm going to show you a few corrective exercises for the stretching of the skeletal muscle and helping improve tendon joint health and to help mitigate pain that we can get from inflammation responses in the knee, lower back. So a lot of benefits to it. For today, I'm just using the strap. You can buy this at your local sporting goods store. It has many looping holes so that you can fit your feet. You can use your hands to coordinate and use as a lever to get into positions for better range of motion and stretching, and also behind the head, which I'll show you. Also, I have a cushion. These are wedges that I make into a single block, and here we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get half kneeling, and I literally just grab the bottom of this, and you have to be careful. You have to kind of situate yourself to get into this position. A lot of balancing for sure, so I have to put this on the foot, get back into the half kneeling. When you scoot back a bit, you can see more. So on the foot, half kneeling, and I put it behind the shoulder, and then I start to bring this up. And you have to control the balance. There's a lot of balancing to this, a lot of balancing. And then I start to pull this through and behind on the shoulder, and the more I pull, the more of the stretch I receive. And onto the shoulder, you can even get a good decompression on this trap here. And this feels pretty well. I do feel a good rate of relief, and I'm getting a really good stretch. And you can move through here, and you can also, for an advanced movement, remember, a lot of balancing above the head, and I just look up, and I balance with the front, and I extend tall. And I'm here for a count of 5, breathing, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to the shoulder, control, and we switch to the other side. That's the first change of direction. Half kneeling. A lot of balancing for sure. I have to situate myself, so I put this back on this foot. And back into half kneeling. Remember, this is a lot of balancing. And I start the process again. I repeat on this new side. And I pull. And I really start to feel. And remember this seat. Now, this is the side that I can feel the most challenge when it comes to my balance, because I do have minor tears of the tendon on the IT band. So I do have some injuries that I have to work with. And so now I'm going to start the process of bringing this above the head, getting a full extension. I'm going to grab further down the loop, and I engage in a full extension, and I really extend. And I look up and I breathe. 5. See, it's challenging. 4, 3, 2, and a 1. And then back onto the shoulder, control. And I situate myself, control. You can use the balance pad. For today, I'm using my wedges. Now the next corrective exercise I'm going to use the core and to work the inner workings of the inner thighs, the adductors. So with this next exercise, I'm going to go a little bit of an angle. So I'm going to be off the mat so you can see this. This works. So this strap here is elastic. Same idea. It has loops. It has loops and individually like a chain, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one foot through the loop. Make sure that you get the flat part of the bottom of the foot. And I'm 2 in, 1, 2. And I get even. I'm going to fall back. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do what looks like I'm stepping on stairs or knee tucks. And I just fully extend and pulling that knee high, alternating and being very even. So I'm going to do 10, 9. This really helps with the hips. 6 more. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1 more, because I can feel it on this side. I can feel it here, and I can also feel it in this side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now I'm going to challenge a little bit more. I'm going to go a little further in. And just work the abductors. So the glutes are working as I open and I just pull apart. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'm just going to kind of slowly move this through. Just kind of pull. It's very subtle. Very subtle. And then back open. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then I'm going to come back into some abdominal. I open, I close. Ooh. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. This is just a great tool to have. It has looping holes and it's an elastic strap, because I can also put my hands through here and go up and over the shoulder. Really feeling the tension throughout the whole movement, creating strength through the range. So I'm going to do 10 more as I breathe. Inhale. Just 6 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, on the 1, hold it up. I'm going to turn a bit, keeping tension through the strap. 5 more. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Good job. The last thing we're going to do is put the hands closer in and work some synergy muscles and I just open up. And I just open. Keeping elbows tucked, and then I open. Just a few more. 5 more. 4 more. 3. Really engaging the scapula. 2, 1, hold it, and relaxing. Here I'm gonna roll it out. Roll it out. And I'm following the path. Roll it out. Roll it out. 2 more. Roll. Last one. And I hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We switch it. I put it to this other side, right next to it. It's gonna roll on the path of the leg. So I'm gonna inhale, and I roll it out. And you will feel the difference. I can feel the difference on this side of my body. I can feel here. And the foam roller is helping us be even with the connection with the foam roller here. Ooh. I'm gonna do 4 more. 4. Inhale. 3. 2. 1 more. Good. I'm gonna try it one more time here to feel if I'm even. Last one. Good job. Now just a few forward. Roll it forward. And then down. Last one. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. You're really engaging the trapezius. Really lifting up. And a few tools. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to bring more content and on helping people find ways to help with their pain management. I suffer from a IT band tear, and I always have to work with corrective exercises, Pilates, yoga, breathing with the pranayama, movement flow. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe and share. Thank you for your time. Peace.